Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, yours truly, JB Bonight. So guys, for today's videos guys, magta-travel na po ako. It's time for me to say bye-bye here in Cateel Davao Oriental. So it's time for me to travel going to Aliwagwag Falls. Actually, papunta na ako ng Bunawan Agusan Resort. Pero dadaan muna ako ng Aliwagwag Falls in Cateel Davao. So guys, I wear my blue jersey, long sleeve. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe, JB Bonight Adventures, and follow me on Instagram at JB Bonight, and follow me on my Facebook, JB Bonight Adventures or JB Mandaya Bonight, and follow us on our Facebook fan page, Team G-Vibes. Guys, please pray always for my safety travel as I do travel here in Mindanao, in the Philippines, and down the whole world sooner. So guys, tara and look at my baby. Kawawa na yung baby ko. Maybe my baby need rest. Sige lang, okay lang kasi pag mag out of country na naman ako, nakakapagpahinga naman. So let's go guys, and time check, it's 10:30 in the morning and my travel time is about 3 to 4 hours from here going to Cateel. Then Cateel going to Bunawan is just like 3 to 4 hours. Maybe I have 7 hours travel for today's videos guys. Let's go guys, bye bye. Bye bye Mati, and see you Cateel. Let's go. So guys, for the full tank of this motor is 500 pesos. So nakailang full tank na ako. So to travel. Thank you kuya. Let's go. Read this guys. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. And all the time God is good.
Teardrops that fell, I'm over you. Forget about a night of deja vu. So go and see the lights once more. I could be fooled by you tonight, but not this time.
Guys, as you can see, Philippines is very beautiful. Even here, along the road, look at this guys. See? Ito madaanan lang pa galing sa Cateel Davao papunta dito sa Tagum. Look at the place. It's very beautiful here in Mindanao. We have a lot of good beaches here, mountain, falls, river, anything. You can have it here in Philippines. So why should I travel to the other country if I have a lot of good places here in Philippines? But soon I will travel outside of my country after I've traveled here in Philippines. Let's go. So guys, finally we are here in municipality of Cateel. So for 30 minutes we can reach in our destination guys. Aliwagwag Falls. Finally, thank you Lord. guys, finally, I am here now in Aliwagwag Falls in Cateel, Davao. Actually, bawal daw paliguan. Pero guys, I want you to show the beautiful of Aliwagwag, guys. This. See? Ang ganda! Thank you so much, Lord, for this. Oh, ang ganda naman. See? Ang ganda ng Pilipinas, guys, especially here in Mindanao. Sobrang ganda talaga. Promise. I hope makapili makaligo ngayon kasi gusto ko talagang maligo kahit 30 minutes lang. Sana pagbigyan ako na makaligo dito. But we will try to ask. Baka kasi pagbigyan tayo. Ang layo na tinabili ko. Guys, from Mati City, Davao Oriental coming here. It's just like 3 hours and 30 minutes travel. Guys, we will try to explore upstairs. It's too hot. Yes, look at my hands, sweat. So, before you can have your coffee here or snacks and everything. But for now, sad to say, they are closed because of renovation. Maybe this coming September, they will open this resort again. This tourist spot. But as what you can see, guys, in my video, it's very amazing. This is my first time here. Actually, ilang beses ko na ito nakita yung Aliwagwag Falls. But, this is my first time. What is your name, kuya? Ha? Jeffrey? Jeffrey, si hi. Naka-shout out? Ako na po. Kabanan mo dahil. Kung saan mo diri? Kung saan may renovate? Ang tag-iyan, ibalik ka dyan. Baka na yung sa province din. Ah, okay. Okay. So, pwede maligya? Oo, sa banta. Okay. Actually, guys, we didn't allow any guests to visit here because of renovation. But I asked them if they can give me at least 10 minutes na makapag-ligo man lang kasi sobrang init po talaga, guys. It's too hot. Pero pag makaligo tayo dito, guys, ang ganda. Sige. Ang ganda, ang linaw pa ng tubig. Tsaka malamig. Actually, guys, hindi naman tayo ganun katigas yung molo. So, actually, ang mga construction worker here is pumayag na maligo ako. I don't want to disobey the policy of this resort or these provinces. Ayoko maban. So, I respect their policy since sinabing hindi pa pwede. So, huwag natin ipilit. As long as nakita nyo yung magandang view ng Aliwagwag Falls. So, actually, pwede siyang paliguan, guys. So, if you want to come here, not now because of renovation. So, maybe this coming September or October. So, Aliwagwag Falls is located at Cateel Davao Oriental. Look at the view here. So, we have nothing to do with that. So, we will respect and we will obey the policy of the province. So, ayoko talagang mag-visit. So, ngayon, hanggang view na lang muna tayo. Kahit sobrang init, gusto ko talagang maligo kasi na-attempt ako, gusto kong tumalon. Pero, ayoko talagang mag-issue. I don't want to have any issue sa provinces, guys, or any places na mapuntahan ko.
I could be fooled by you tonight, but not this time. rather delay. I'm over us, I'm over you. Forget about another deja vu. So go and see the lights in our eyes once more. I could be fooled by you tonight, but not this time. I'm someone else. Teardrops that fell. I'm over us, I'm over you. Forget about another deja vu. So go and see the lights in our eyes once more. I could be fooled by you tonight, but not this time.
Okay guys, let's go. Let's proceed for another place. By the way, I entered at City Davao Oriental. So pumasok pa ako dito. Dito po ako sa Cateel. So ngayon, let's proceed for the exit po nito. Hindi na po tayo babalik kasi diretso na po tayo for Bunawan, Agusan del Sur. From Agusan, ang labas po nito guys, ditong daan is going to Moncayo. Moncayo po. Moncayo, Davao del Norte.
But not this time. I'm someone else. Teardrops that fell. I'm over us, I'm over you. Forget about another deja vu. So go and see the lights in our eyes once more. I could be fooled by you tonight, but
Guys, I want to stop in this place because look at this guys. Oh wow. Guys, before I go to Moncayo, before I exit to Moncayo guys, may nakita kasi akong magandang lugar. Yeah, I'm on the top of the mountain guys. See? Look at this place. Ganda. Ang ganda, it means it's beautiful. If I say maganda, if I say ang ganda, it means it's beautiful. So I guess you have already learnings on me for today's video. So to be honest, ang ganda guys, it's beautiful. Let's go guys. We have 2 hours, almost 3 hours travel today. For this, we will continue traveling for almost 3 hours. Let's go. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Ang ganda, no? Only here in Mindanao and Philippines, guys. So, what are you waiting for? Just travel Philippines and travel Mindanao, guys. Daan muna tayo dito, guys. Isa sa mga nadaanan natin papuntang Mungkayo. Guys, daan muna ako dito sa nadaanan ko lang papuntang Compostela Valley. Actually, this is Compostela Valley going Mungkayo. So it's just like an overview here. Look at this. For 10 pesos entrance fee. They can have a beautiful view here for 10 pesos only. So if you want to order a food or a burger, they also have a burger. They also have a food here. So this is already a Compostela Valley. It's a good view here. So we have a cottages here and the swing Rodoyan. Look at this. For 10 pesos only. Okay, let's go and proceed to another place. Cute lang, baby, guys. Malipit siya. Guys, traffic dito kasi may inayos na daan. Siguro mga isang oras na lang naghihintay dito kasi marami na rin sa likod. So we'll wait here para pagpatapos na yun, that's the time na pwede pa kami makadaan. So malayo pa pupuntahan ko, guys. I have 2 hours and 20 minutes travel from here. So siguro abot ako hanggang gabi on the road. But please pray for my safety travel and thank you so much. Cute ng bata, guys. Parang kanina pa rin yan sila, guys. Sana hindi kami mabutan ng gabi dito, guys. started here in Monte Vista. So after 2 hours, maybe I'm gonna reach my destination in Bunawan. Sana hindi ako mabutan ng gabi doon kasi yung daan sa Trento, pangit ng daan. Hindi naman siya totally pangit, pero marami lang talagang lubak-lubak na dapat iwasan. Kasi natin guys, let's go! So welcome to Agusan del Sur, guys. So this is part of the Caraga region. So welcome to Caraga region, guys. So this is part of Caraga region, guys. Then Agusan del Sur. So this is part of Agusan del Sur na. So Trento is the first municipality in Agusan del Sur from Davao. So after Trento, Bunawan. So guys, welcome to Trento. Ito yung lugar na sana hindi ako magabihan kasi ang tayo kong iilagan na butas-butas. Butas pa naman dito, ang lalaki ng mga butas. Alright. So guys, yung sa kanina nagasolin natin 500, ubos na. 100 lang muna. Sige. Anyway guys, we are already here in Trento. So after this, Bunawan na. Doon muna ako mag-sleep over sa pinsan ng mama ko, pero kay dad ko rin naman. Kaya doon muna ako sa kanila mag-sleep over sa Bunawan. Ako gawin bukas sa Bunawan. Guys, finally, I'm here now at Bunawan. So welcome to Bunawan. So I will stay here for a night, guys, sa auntie ko po or kasi ng mama ko. So tingnan nyo yung daan, guys. Careful kayo pag dito kayo dumaan kasi daming butas-butas. Matagal na to kasi na problema dito sa paan. Ito yung isa sa mga problema ng mga riders at saka sa mga nagka-travel na dumadaan dito. Tingnan nyo yung daan. Kung nakikita nyo yung daan, guys, ha, grabe. Huh? Ay. So guys, I guess I need to end this video, guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, JB Bonight Adventures, and follow me on Instagram at JB Bonight, and follow me on my Facebook, JB Bonight Adventures or JB Mandaya Bonight, and follow us on our Facebook fan page, Team G Vibes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a like, share, and click the notification bell for more videos update. Bye, and see you in my next video. Bye.